Brookside leaders, this is Mrs. Hamlin again, coming with your Habits at Home. I am in front of our Celebrating the Habits board. Thank you, Mrs. Conklin and Mrs. Johnson and Mrs. Clark and the rest of our family learning team for creating this awesome board. We have slowly started adding our names of students who have been awesome and brought back their brainstormers. And I just wanted to remind you that January's brainstormers were yellow. I do have 3 winners here, but I'm going to make you wait just a second for them. All right. Our January habit was habit 3, put first things first. And we have 3 friends who Mrs. Collins drew. Woo, thank you, Mrs. Collins, who put first things first this month. All right. Lucy Rieger said her big rocks for this month were her family and friends. Nice job, Lucy Rieger. Brooklyn Latimer said that she uses staying focused and working as tools to stay organized. Nice job, Brooklyn. And Emma Bloomfield, she makes a list of things to do and makes sure she plans to help out her mom every week. So awesome job, you 3. I will be reaching out to you to get you a shirt for our Habits at Home. Next month, you will have Think Win Win, Habit 4, and you should receive a pink brainstormer calendar and little newsletter from the family learning team coming at the beginning of the month. So February 1st, you will get those. Look for your name if you did turn in your yellow brainstormer, because we will make sure we get everybody's names up there, not just our winners, all right? So anytime you turn in your brainstormer for the first time, we will put your name up here as a little firework to celebrate. So I'm looking forward to seeing how you think win-win in February. Bye, guys.
Here is a close-up.
Hey, I'm Miss Young. I am the art teacher, and this is a piece of artwork that was made by Jax, and it is a food sculpture, food collage.
Very nice.
I'm Murray, and I made a self-portrait.
And who's your teacher?
Mrs. Jacob,
In what grade?
2nd grade.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Zoe, and I made an Aboriginal bark painting.
What grade are you in?
I am in grade 4.
And who's your teacher?
Miss Burbo.
Excellent.
I'm Clyde, and I have an insect, and I'm in kindergarten. My teacher's name is Miss Smith.
Excellent.
My name is Carly, and I made web sewing, and I'm in 3rd grade, and my teacher is Miss Hathaway.
Excellent. These are some beautiful art that these children are doing. It's so great to see. Thank you so much. Can you tell me what you ask your friends every morning?
Morning, Eli. How you saying?
Oh, that's so nice. Good morning, and how are you today?
Good.
What a great way to start the day in Miss Hall Smith's 1st grade classroom.
Tell me what else. Yeah, what else, sweetheart? Okay, everything okay now? Okay. Yeah, anything else? I love it. Just keep bossing me around. Come here, Sonny. Okay, what do you want? A what? Oh, chocolate one. Okay. You want milk?
Did you say a little harder? Going to see you at everything.
Okay, going to your birthday. That's a great thing. If your friends are a great thing to be grateful for, aren't they, Jonathan?
Next one for seeing everybody.
It feels good to be at school with all our friends, huh, D'Angelo? Thank you, dear. and I always feel grateful for seeing you too. All right, and what are we gonna talk about today, Jason? Do you remember? All right. What's your question for these guys? Oh wait, what's our habit we've been focusing on this month? Tell me if you know it. Habit 3. Yeah, what is habit 3? First things first. Good. So, does anybody have a way that they're doing first things first?
I've been getting my backpack ready and then watch TV.
Oh, I love that. That is a really good way to put first things first. What should we do for Bonnie, Jason?
Let's get started in the park. I was getting around instead of playing.
You were getting what were you doing?
I was getting around for today instead of playing.
Getting your stuff around for today instead of playing? Okay. That's very responsible.
Let's get into the park.
But we haven't heard from Mariana yet, have we? All right. And then you get to go on your tablet after you get your bag ready. So you make sure all your homework's done and your reading logs in there and all that good stuff. I like that. Very responsible of you also. What do we do for Ayana?
I was getting in the park.
All right, now what do we do, Jason?
Breakfast tomorrow, just like snack morning reading groups, reading, recess, dinner reading, writing, lunch recess, snack time, PE, phonics, pack up, Eva, dismissal.
All right, so just a normal Wednesday for us today. And now what?
Class English.
All right. I love how all your bodies are turning toward the back of the room and those fingers are out to read our class mission statement this morning. Oh, hold on, he's not ready yet.
We will try our best every day to be respectful, responsible, and helpful. We will use the 7 habits to be the best leaders we can be.
All right, I think Jason has some questions for you.
What's more respectful? By doing your chores at home.
Yeah, definitely.
What's more responsible? Being responsible for your learning.
Ooh, that's a good one. Being responsible for your learning game. I like that.
What's more to be helpful? You always help the teacher.
Oh, how can, like, by doing what? What's helpful to me, do you think?
You can help clean up if you drop something.
Yeah, I like when our room is nice and clean. That would be very helpful. Thank you. All right, I love it. I am going to have you guys put more work in your mailboxes and take care of.
What time is it?
It's time for Glows and Grows!
A glow is something that you're good at. A grow is something that you need to work on. Here's Mrs. Pinkham's class with Glows and Grows.
Hi, my name is Lauren, and my glow is getting my backpack circle.
Hi, my name is Peyton, and my glow is reading. Hi, my name is Brendan, and my glow is getting better at math. Hi, my name is Harmony, and my grow is getting better at reading. Hi, my name is Colton S., and my grow is getting better at math.
Good job, everybody! The Cleanest Broom Award goes to Mrs. Jacob's class. Jacob from Miss Hathaway's class is going to pass it on to Danny.
Good job.
Were you copying a cardinal? Respectful, responsible, a learner, a leader?
This is our January Hot Being Cardinals. We're starting with kindergarten. We're gonna keep moving from kindergarten into first grade. Look at all those beautiful eyes showing me their awesome smiles. Second grade. Now we're gonna move into third grade. And our super leaders are fourth graders who are pros at this point at being leaders in our school. We're very proud of all that you do, guys.
Habit 3, put first things first. Work first, then play. I spend my time on things that are most important. I say no to the things that I know I should not do. I am organized and show self-control.